Ayan, so good morning, grade 10.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Ayan, sige. So Ian can't make, or I should say, can't join us in our live discussion. So, ayan. So our lesson for today is all about the sum of an arithmetic sequence. But then let's have a short recap first on our lesson last time. So we have here an arithmetic sequence. So paano ulit malalaman if it is an arithmetic sequence or not? Kung may?
If the difference is the same, common difference.
If it has a common
Difference.
difference. Ayan.
Ay.
Okay. Ayan. So, and in sequences, it is listed in commas. In series naman, it is indicated sum. So, let's talk about arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is defined as a sequence in which there is a common difference between consecutive terms. So, for example, is this at -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So, it is it is an arithmetic sequence because their difference is positive 2 kasi nga -1 minus -3 becomes positive 2, or 5 minus 3 is 2, 3 minus 1 is also 2. How about for this third example, we have 80 minus 84, we have -4, tama? 74, so this one becomes, I think this is -4. This one naman, if you subtract it, 74 minus 80, we have -6. Kaya nag-iba na siya. Therefore, this is a, or this is not a arithmetic sequence. So, no. Ganun lang siya. Ayan.
Sir, ba't di gumagana yung slides?
Magana yan.
Hindi, nakaano lang sa akin arithmetic sequences and series.
Ha?
Naka-post lang.
Naka-post lang?
Yes. Yeah.
Let's, ayan. Ayan, okay na?
Okay na.
Okay.
Hindi pa sa akin.
Ayan, so basta kapag arithmetic sequence, it has a common difference. So ang pag-subtract natin or ang pagkuha ng common difference, second term minus the first term, third term minus the second term. So pabaliktad. From right to left. Okay, so the common difference is always the difference between any term and the term that precedes that term. And so the common difference is 5. Kasi nga, we have -21 minus -25 becomes +5. -16 minus -21 becomes +5. Kasi nga pabaliktad tayo. Ayan. So the general form of an arithmetic sequence is this. We're already done with this one. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Ayan, so nababago lang siya in this part. Kasi nga, di ba? 1 difference, 2 difference, third difference. Or 3 times 2 difference. Parang ganun lang siya. So, ang formula natin for arithmetic sequence is an, or the term, is equal to a1, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times the difference. So, by the way, arithmetic sequence is the basic, or is the ACS in all the sequences. So, the formula for the nth term would be this one. So, a1 natin would be the first term, or kung ano yung unang pinaka number na nilagay doon sa sequence natin. Ang an naman is the nth term, or kung ilan yung hinahanap natin na term, and n is for the term number. So D is for the common difference. So let's try to have this example. So, ang given natin is 79, 75, 71, 67, and 63. So, let's find the A32. So, kunin lang muna natin mga given. We have the A1, we have 79, tama? Ayan. So, 79 is the first term. And the difference would be
-4.
-4 kasi nga 75 minus 79 becomes -4. Or kahit dito din, 63 minus 71, this is -4. Therefore, the common difference is -4. And ang n natin is ito. Diba? So, this is 32. Ayan. So, using the formula, an is equal to a1, a1 plus, close and open parentheses, n minus 1 times the difference. So, ang an natin is, ano ba yung hinahanap natin? 32.
32.
So, anong first term natin? We have 79
79.
9.
plus, ano yung n minus 1 natin? We have 32 minus 1 becomes,
31.
ilan?
31.
31
31.
times the difference which is -4.
-4.
Ayan, so 79 now will be added to 39 minus 4. I mean 39, I mean 31. 31 I should say, times -4.
Time, sir?
Yes,
-124.
that's -124.
-124.
So what would be the
24.
final term or our final answer?
-45.
-45. So that would be the 32nd term. Nakuha? So ganun lang yung paghanap
Yes.
natin.
Wala.
Must be rubbed in your hand. I like you.
Ayun, so -45. So, let's try to have this example. So we have here, the given is, find the, sorry. So ano yung hinahanap natin? 8th term of the arithmetic sequence whose first, so mga ganito yung bibigay ko, mga word problems, is 4 and, so mas madali nyo na lang naman siya, and common difference is -7. Okay, so this is our problem. Find the 8th term of the arithmetic sequence whose term, or I mean whose first term is 4 and whose common difference is -7. So ano yung formula natin? an or a sub n. Hindi ko siya masulat. Ayan, so maglalapis na lang ako. So, we have ulit. We have here an is equal to a1, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times the difference, di ba? So, ang an natin, or sulat mo natin dito, ano yung an natin? Unknown pa. Diba? Pero ang n natin would be, anong n natin? Yung 8th term, kasi yun yung hinahanap. So this is 8. How about our A1? Ang A1 natin, or the
4.
first term is 4. And ang difference natin would be
-7.
-7. So using this given, you can now proceed to our problem. So, anong A1 natin? 4, tama? Plus,
Yes.
anong N1 natin? Ano ang N natin? We have 8, tama? So, minus 1
8.
times negative
-7.
7. So, pagkatapos yan, ano
minus
mangyayari? 8 minus 1.
Copy mo yung 4 muna.
So, 4 muna. 8 minus 1 is 9.
7.
Times negative 7.
Huh?
Tama?
Anong 9, sir?
Sir,
Pero
8
di ba
minus
7
1?
yun?
That is 7 pala. Times negative 7. Ayan, sorry. So, ayan, 4 plus what? Negative 49.
49.
And then, ayan, 4 minus 49 na siya. And ang final answer natin, or ang A,
-45.
is negative 45. So, ang final answer natin would be negative 45.
45.
This one na siya. Nakuha? So, ito na yung
Yes.
tinatawag natin na A1. Nakuha?
Yes.
So, I mean, that's A8, I should say, or that is the 8th term. So, therefore, conclusion. So, we therefore conclude
That -45
that the 8th term
that the 8th term
of the
arithmetic
arithmetic sequence, kumpletuhin lang yung sentence. We therefore conclude that the 8th term of the arithmetic sequence whose, ganito lang yung gagawin ha, whose first term is 4 and whose common difference is -7 tama ba? We therefore conclude that the 8th term of the arithmetic sequence whose first term is 4 and whose common difference is 7, we will get -45 as the 8th term. Parang ganyan lang siya. So this would be our conclusion. So ganun lang ang gagawin. Nakuha? Yes?
Yes.
So let's try to have another example. Or are we clear na sa pagkuha ng ganito? Okay, so let's now proceed. Ayan. So given we have A10. I think there's a need for that. Ayan. So let's try to have this example naman. What if, mahirap ako mag-type. Dito na nga lang. Ayan. Mahirap ako eh. Dito lang muna tayo. So, we have here, find the 9th term of the arithmetic sequence. So, ang hinahanap natin is the 9th term of an arithmetic sequence whose first term daw, so A1 natin is 6, and whose common difference is -5. So, ang hinahanap natin is 9 terms. So, therefore, ang n natin would be 9. Tama? Yes? Okay. So, using the formula, we have an is equal to, ay mali, A1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. We have, ano yung A1 natin? A1. We have
6.
6.
plus, what is n? We have 9 minus
9.
1 times the difference, which is
Negative 5.
Negative 5.
5. So 6 now plus 8 times 8 minus 1. We have
8.
8 times
9 yan sa...
negative 5.
5.
Therefore, 8 times negative 5, we have
Negative 40.
negative 40.
40.
40.
Ayan. So, negative 6 minus 40, we have negative 30,
36. Ay, 34.
34. So, therefore, ang 9th term natin is negative 34. Ganun lang. So, we therefore conclude that the 9th term is negative 34. So, nakuha na?
Yes.
6.
Yes.
Basic. Okay. Ayan. So, try to do this for 3 minutes. Ang first term natin would be 2. Ang difference nila would be 3. Ang hinahanap natin is the 10th term. So, for 3 minutes, or I should say, for 1 minute na lang, pang madalian lang. For 1 minute, find the answer for this given. So, ang hinahanap natin, ang n natin is the 10th term.
Sara, hanapin yung
10th term. Basta kung ano yung n
Term.
yung natin. Yes, 10.
Wait lang, Sara. Alam mo yan. 2 plus. I therefore conclude.
Wait lang.
Joke lang. Basic. Char.
Okay na? So, 10,
Okay na.
9, 8,
Okay
7,
na.
6, 5, 4, 3,
Show me the answer, sabi niya, sir.
1. Okay? So, the answer would be, okay, so let's try to solve. 8, 10, tama?
Yes.
Is equal to, what is the first term? We have 2 plus n minus 1, we have 9
9.
times 3.
3.
Tama? So 2 now plus 9 times 3 is 27.
7.
Therefore, we therefore conclude that
9.
the 10th term is 29.
29.
Sir, choppy.
9.
Choppy, sir.
We therefore conclude that the 10th term would be
Red
29.
pink. Red pink ako.
Ayan, nakuha na? Get it?
Yes.
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 Easy?
Medyo.
Wait lang.
Basic?
Sir, red pink ako.
Red pink ka.
Ato, ML.
Hindi naman. Okay naman yung dating mo sa akin. Okay? Ayan, so let's go now to our lesson, the sum of an arithmetic sequence.
Ay, hindi ba yun yung lesson natin?
Hindi pa. So lesson 4 tayo.
Ready. Let's beat it up.
Ayan. So let's go now to arithmetic sequence. So write the first 3 terms and the last 2 terms of the following arithmetic sequence. So we have 79 minus 2p So, what is the sum of this sequence?
Mukhang wala nang maintindihan.
An idea? Wala. Hindi ko rin siya maintindihan, di ba?
Ako, hula
Sir,
ko.
ito ibalik niyo dun saglit.
Bakit?
Basta lang po.
Wait lang.
Hindi na kailangan isulat. Ano ba yan?
Sir,
Hindi pa na-
hindi. May titignan lang ako.
Hmm.
Saglit lang. May hinahanap ako, sir.
Sasagutan niya ni Cyrus.
Pagtol! Pag
So,
nasagutan
Cyrus.
ko.
Ang galing talaga ni Cyrus. Calculator.
Sana all naiintindihan, Sai.
Sir, bakit nga?
Tudukan yun.
Para saan ba? Ba't niyo ba
Sige
kinokopya
na.
yan?
Sa'yo?
Hindi ko masasagot yun.
Wala naman yun. Okay, so what is the sum of these terms? So written, we have the first term.
First,
I mean first to last. So, as you can see, what is the sum of these terms? So kasi ang arithmetic sequence natin, or I mean the sum of an arithmetic sequence natin is this one. So kapag sinabi nating sequence, kapag sinabi natin na series, it is the summation. So, ang symbol natin for summation is this one. Parang letter Z. So, this, parang letter E. Parang letter E siya na parang, pag pinaganon mo, parang letter Z. So, this is,
Parang letter E, tas letter Z.
so, this is the summation. So, ang tawag dyan is the summation. So, in general, we have the formula. Ayan, di ba? Mas madali. S is equal to
Dami.
N A1 plus AN all over 2. Wherein, ang S natin is the sum. Ang N natin is the number of term. A1 is the first term and AN would be the last term. So, ganito lang. Wag nyo nang isulat yung nasa taas. There's no need to write that one. Ito lang yung
Bakit yan
isusulat.
Sir, yung nasa baba
Tama
na
yan.
sulat.
Ito lang nasa baba kung gusto niyo
Ba't pa
isulat.
nandyan?
Kasi nga, in-explain lang niya.
Wait lang.
Itong presentation na in-explain niya lang kung paano nakuha yung formula. Hindi naman natin kailangan, hindi naman natin kailangan kunin yung formula, di ba?
Hindi ako may rapam.
Yung nasa baba lang. Okay, so ito yung formula natin for the series. Okay? So yung sequence kanina iba kaysa sa kay series. Kasi nga, kapag sinabing series, it is the summation or the sum. So, yung formula natin, S is for the sum, N is for the number of terms, A1 is the first term, and AN would be the last term, divided by 2. Okay, so let's find the sum of the first term. Let's find the sum of the terms of this arithmetic series. Tada! Mahirap ba?
Mukhang mahirap.
Titignan, sir, pag hindi niyo pa pinapaintindi.
Okay. So, wag na nating pansinin 'yan. Wag na nating pansinin 'yan. Dito na lang tayo sa example ko. Mas madali ang example ko. Okay. Ito na lang. So, find.
Sir, abutin po tayo.
Hindi. Ayan.
Sir Choppy.
Di ba ako nagsasalita eh?
Kaya nga.
Ayan. So find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence if A1 is 5 and A20 is equal to 62. Kasi sabi niya nga, the sum of the first 20 terms. So kasama ba ang first? Kasama ba ang 20? Is it a yes or a no?
Yes.
Yes. So, ganun siya.
Yes.
Okay, so let's try to use the formula. So, tadang, tadang. So, ano yung ano natin, hinahanap natin? The sum
Yes.
of the first 20, the sum of the first 20 terms. So, ang mga given natin would be A1, tama? Yung hinahanap natin, A1 is 5. A20 is equal to 62. And ano yung N natin? Ha? Ano yung N natin? Ha?
20?
20. Diba? So, okay na ba yan? Nasulat na natin yung 20 terms. And 62. And yung first term is 5. Therefore, okay. So, using the formula, S is equal to N times A1 plus AN, which is, ang AN natin will be the last term. Ang A1 natin will be the first term. Okay? This is plus pala. Ayan. So, let's try to do it. So, S is equal to, ano yung N natin? We have 10. I mean, 20
20.
times
Sir Choppy.
A1 plus AN. Oops, pinakita. A1 plus AN. Kaya magiging 5
5
62.
plus 20. Ay, 60.
Divided by 2. So, 20 times 5 plus 62 muna. So, 5 plus 62 becomes
67. 67.
7. Ayan, divided by 2. So, para hindi ka mahirapan, ang gagawin muna natin is to divide. So, divide muna
Ano to,
natin
time?
siya. Divided by 2. 20 divided by 2 becomes
10.
10. Times 67. That would give us the answer 100 times 600.
Negative. Ay, hindi. Mali.
Negative. Wow, magic. So the answer is 10 times 6.
Times nyo muna.
Yes,
670.
670. So ang hinahanap natin or the sum, we therefore conclude that the sum of the first term and the sum of the first 20 term,
20.
is what? 670. So palitan natin yung formula para hindi kayo malito. Tanggalin natin to. Dito na lang natin siya ilagay. Ayan. So parehas lang din naman. Para hindi na lang kayo malito, ganyan na lang. So, ito lang yung i-divide natin para mas madali. Ayan. So divide 20. So 20 divided by 2 becomes 10. So 10 times 67, that's 670. Nakuha?
Yes.
Okay. Sure. So we still have 4 minutes to go. I will give you another example. Paano naman kapag ganito? Yung binigay. Ito, magpangmadalian na lang ha. Basta kapag sum, it must be the total. Okay? This one. So find the sum of the first, ito ba, pamaramihan to. 40 terms of the arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, 11. Ayan. So, 2, 5, 8, 11. So, anong hinahanap natin dito? The 40th term. So, ano kaya yung magiging dulo? So, kapag ganito yung given, andyan pa kayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Kung ganito yung
sir.
given, alam mo na ba natin yung dulo, yung 40th term? Alam na ba natin yung 40th term?
Hindi, sir.
Hindi pa. So, kailangan natin hanapin muna yung 40th term. So, let's find the 40th term muna to get the series. So, using the formula A40, tama? Is equal to, the first term would be 2
2,
plus
5,
2 plus 40
5, 17.
minus 1 times the difference. 5 minus 2, get the difference. Let's get the common difference.
Wala, hindi copy.
And so let's get the common difference. We have 5 minus 2.
Sino naman yan?
5 minus 2.
Nasagutan mo hindi ay hindi pala. Hindi pa.
Sir, ano?
Ano oras na
5
kailangan?
minus 2.
Wait lang.
3.
3. 8 minus 5.
3.
11 minus 8.
3.
3 pa din. So therefore, the common difference is 3.
3,
So, 40 minus 1,
39.
that's 39. Times 3, that will give us
117.
2 plus 117. Are you sure? Yeah.
Yes.
And 2 plus 117 is 100.
119.
So, ito yung A40 natin. So, pwede na natin kunin ang sum. Tama? So, using the formula,
Yes.
S is equal to 40 all over 2 or yung N over 2 times,
And
Lucky.
what is the first term? Ang first term natin is 2
2.
plus, ang 40th term natin is 119. Therefore, 40 divided by 2,
20.
20 times 2 plus 119.
121.
So 20 times 121, we got 2,420. So ito na yung sum na hinahanap natin. Ayan.
Huh?
So that's
Tama
it.
pala.
So if you have concerns, let's meet later on. Let's meet this afternoon.
Sir.
What
We're
time?
about to end.
Sir, saglit lang.
So I will be posting this video on our Edmodo, so you can watch it there.
Sir, what time mag-meet later?